Hello everybody, this is Ed, and today we're going to be changing out the blades on this EGO mower. This one is the LM2150 SP, and I'm going to swap the blades out. I'm going to keep these. I'm going to end up sharpening them, that way I have two sets of blades. But the ones that I'm going to replace them with, pretty much the same style. This one is the AB2101D. I love this mower. I was a little bit hesitant in buying this because it was plastic. I'm used to cutting with metal frames, and didn't think it was going to last. But I went ahead and pulled the trigger last summer to buy this, and I'm not going back. There's no way. This one's a self-propel model, and I don't even use that function. This mower is so light that I'm able to cut the grass without even using the self-propelled function on there. I shouldn't have paid the $150 for that feature when I don't even use it. I mean, this deck is so light, easy to roll. But if you do not have sharp blades or decent blades, you will feel the difference in the cutting and the battery life. Also the battery. It's amazing, the technology we have. I never would have thought a battery this big would cut my whole yard. It's amazing. It's crazy. So let's go ahead and change this blade out. So what I'm going to use is a socket wrench and a screwdriver. Screwdriver is to hold the blade in place so you're able to take the screws off. Recommend that you use gloves because you got sharp edges, and this thing does move if you don't have it propped up correctly. Here's the hole to put your screwdriver in. The screwdriver is here to hold the blades in place so you're able to unscrew these screws. Center screw is a number 14 socket. Wow, this came off easier than I thought. The two outside screws are a number 17 socket. Wow. All right, let's go ahead and take this off. So the screws did have Loctite when I took them off. So I'm going to go ahead and replace that. This one is the Loctite Blue 242. And as you can see, it says removable. So I cleaned this up a little bit, took a brush, brushed this area off. It's stenciled on how these blades go. It says upper blade up here, and right here it says this side facing deck. So just like this. And then same for the lower blade. This is the mulching blade, and same here, this side facing grass. So the upper blade, you attach these screws, the outside screws. As you can see, they have these notches right here. They fit in right here, and they hold in place. Then you come back with your mulching blade. Okay, and you got that little lip right here. Not sure if you can see it, that little lip. There's an indentation right here. Let's place it right on here. Alright, so got to torque these screws out. They're saying the shaft bolt should be between 36 and 43 foot-pounds, and the blade nuts should be at 22 foot-pounds. So let me go ahead and 36 and 43. That's a big range. Never seen it like that. But all right, good on that one. 22. All right, so we're good on the torque. So let's go ahead and cut some grass.